Hello everyone, for today's video ay mag-unboxing ako ng aking online shopping sa Shopee. Pinag-online shopping ako ng aking My Darling of the World. My darling, thank you so much salamat sa Shopee shopping. Shopee shopping. Online Shopee shopping. Thank you very much, my darling. Puti ito, puting skirt. I like it. Nice. Thank you, my darling. I like it. Nice. Guys, wala pa yung partner nito, on the way pa. Our next unboxing is this one. Next is this one. Without gunting-gunting na lang. Unboxing. Sa balik ka-excited ba mag-abli eh. Dili din siya sa Shopee, kaya akong giuli ang sa Shopee, nakalimot ko. Sa kuan din na ako gi-order sa TikTok. Pero ang ilang karton bungkag naman. Oh, open it. Nice ha. Open it. The inside is karay. Dako na bali gamay na ako, kaya nga akong size is 37 na kaya mo sila lang ista. So this is it guys, ang aking unboxing. Mayroon pang mga coming up. My darling, thank you very much, my darling. May karugtong pa ito itutuloy. Hello everyone, may another unboxing from TikTok from Daddy of the World. Wala na gunting-gunting eh. Oh, so wakrap na yun. Automatic. Hang. Hawak ko ang bit. Nice kind of dress. Thank you, my daddy. Maura ni unboxing guys. May kasunod pa. See you in my next. Another unboxing. Another unboxing for today. Automatic na ito. Dako kayo guys. Dako kayo sa ang laki. Mga unboxing to guys. Galing kay aking may dakaling na si of the world. Ay, nauna siya. Para mo nindot pa. Ano ba eh? Blouse siya, blouse. Stylish blouse. Aking mga unboxing. Salamat my darling of the world. May kasunod pa.